Hey guys, welcome to Roadway Coffee. I'm Arwen.
And I'm Shane.
Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the 1Zpresso manual coffee grinder.
This is the 1Zpresso hand coffee grinder, and what I already like about this, for travel anyway, is it looks very small. And it is a burr grinder. So let's look at this. All right, so you got a card in here. This will tell you what settings you will need to set your grinder at. Looks like we got an owner's manual here. Okay, oh nice. Comes with a little travel bag to keep it safe. All right, we got our handle. All right, and this is the actual coffee grinder. Now this thing has some weight to it. This is a light gray model. And there it is, look at that. So this acts as a catch for your grounds. So after you've adjusted what setting you want this set to, you just simply put that back on, put your coffee beans in here, and grind away. So I'm excited to test this out. So we're about to make a really good shot of espresso, but we need to grind some coffee, and we need a coffee grinder.
Oh, what's this in my pocket?
Aha! This is the 1Zpresso manual compact burr grinder. This will work perfect. So let's give this thing a try.
So this is about the perfect size that we need for making a shot of espresso. So we probably could just fill it to the line on the inside of the coffee grinder. So we're just going to go ahead and grind my own roast, R1 signature roast. That smells really good.
We're going to set a stopwatch to see about how long it takes to grind all this coffee in here. We're not going to be racing through it, but I'll do about half of it, and then I'll hand it over to Arwen and she can do the other half. So let's do this. I'm going to start the timer. All right, I would say I'm probably close to about halfway there. I'm going to hand this over to Arwen. Take over, Arwen. Go. Now, one thing, the lighter the roast, the harder it's going to be to grind. This is a medium roast, so it might be a little bit harder to grind than, say, the espresso roast.
But for the most part, it seems pretty easy.
And what's great about this is it is a burr grinder, so you're getting that very consistent, those very consistent grounds, and you don't need electricity.
Feels like it's about, I think that's...
And that's it.
Yeah.
So it took about 1 minute and 18 seconds to grind through all of that. So let's take a look at our grounds. That smells amazing.
It does.
Smell that. So we have a very consistent grind.
Oh yeah. Very consistent.
All right, guys, so I would definitely recommend the 1Zpresso grinder. We've probably ground, what, 10, 15 times in this? And every time it's delivered a good, consistent shot. We've just left it on setting 8 because we're just making espresso with it, but it's got a wide range of different selections that you can set your grind to. So that's really cool. Very easy to use.
Compact, small.
And it has a decent amount of weight to it, so it feels like quality when you're holding it in your hand. Yeah, so I look forward to continue using this very compact
and completely mess free.
Yes, mess free. It doesn't take up really any room at all. Comes in a nice storage bag where you can stow it. This would be a great little tool to have in the kitchen for grinding coffee.
Don't forget to buy a bag of fresh roasted Roadway coffee at roadwaycoffee.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy these videos, and we want to keep them coming. Let us know what you think in the comment section, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.